Hi everyone, in this videos I am going to create Azure Virtual Networks. I am going to log in portal.azure.com. So once it's logged in, you can see that Azure Virtual Networks from the left side pane, or else you can go to the search bar, you can type Virtual Networks. You can select that Virtual Networks and click Create. So here we can create that virtual networks. For that we select the subscription. As of now I have the only one subscription. So I'll create resource groups. I already have the existing resource group for creating virtual networks. I'm going to create a new resource groups. I'll name it as RG01 VNet. Click OK. Then provide a VNet naming VNet -01. Then select region for that virtual networks. Then click next. So for the security section, there are multiple options will be there. One for the security, sorry, virtual network encryptions, Azure backend, Azure firewall, and Azure DDoS network protection. As of now, I just leave it as it is. So here you can see the default address 10.0.0.0-16. So it's automatically takes. So it will give that 65,536 addresses. If you want to change that address, so if you want list IP addresses, you can select instead of 16 you can select 18, so you'll get 60,384 addresses. So and also it automatically create a default subnet here. So if you want to keep it as it is, or else you can delete here. So I'm going to add one more subnet here. Click add subnet. So while adding subnet, it will ask the purpose of the subnet. So I'll keep it as default. There are few more options in the subnet change. Azure Basin, Azure Firewall, Firewall Management, Virtual Network Gateway, and Route Server. So I'm just keep it as it is as a default. Then I'll name it as the subnet as UB-01. So here it will take that VNet range 10.0.0./18, and it will automatically take the subnet range as well. So it will give the 256 addresses. If you don't want to 250 addresses or less addresses, if you want, you can select /27. It will give the 32 addresses. So apart from this, I'm not going to do any changes in this. So I'll just click add. So now there is two subnets, default and subnet 01. It's going to create. I click next. So as of now I'm not going to give any tags here. So click next. So now it's running the final validation stage. It will give the configuration details. Once everything looks fine, we can go to the we can create that. Now the validation is fast. So we'll review the configuration and then click create. So all the configuration is fine. I'm going to click create. So now it's initiating the deployment. So the deployment in progress. Now you can see the deployment is complete. Go to the resources. In the overview page, you can see the resource group, location, subscription details, and address space as well, and subnet range. We have two subnets here. So if you want to redirect the subnet, you can click to subnet here, or else in the left side you can click the subnets. You can see that what are the subnets created inside that virtual networks. There are two subnets we created at the time of configurations. Now if you want to add a few more subnets, you can click subnet here and select the purpose and name -02. So I'll keep the /24. Click add. So it's going to add the another subnet in this virtual networks. Yeah, now the subnet also it's created. There are 3 subnets it's available in this virtual networks. So in this video we successfully created virtual networks and added 3 subnet as well. Thank you for watching.